Hey guys, my name is Manoj Sanjay Dezade. I just purchased the JavaScript and CSS, the full stack video course, and I'm happy to buy this course, and I'm really uh, happy to how the mentor are presenting and writing the notes and the content are the best in this platform 30 days challenge and wait a minute. And if you like to pursue computer science and you need need a course that really helps you, that is a full stack web development. In before, I don't know how to code or how to build a website, but when you watch this video, it will be improve your roadmap and improve your coding skills. Thank you.